Hello, Coach K community! Today we're going to be doing a weighted abs and arms. If you do not have the Bala bar, which is 15 pounds that I have out in front of me, you're more than welcome to use dumbbells or even ankle weights. Let's go ahead and get started with that warm up. Go ahead and grab your weights, lay all the way down onto your back here. Once you're on your back, the weights are going to go straight up towards that ceiling. You're going to hold overhead. Then one at a time, bring your legs up into a nice tabletop and hold that tabletop. Now, with the tabletop hold right here, press your shoulders back and down. Slight tuck into that pelvis. You want to keep your knees in line with those hips. Ankles can go in line with your knees or slightly above. We just want to make sure that we never drop those ankles down. In 5, you're going to single leg reach your right leg only. In 3, 2, 1. Right leg goes out and down, comes back into that tabletop for 10. Now don't go too low with this because we don't want you to pop your back off that mat there. We want to make sure that you're keeping that core engagement. In 5, we're going to continue that single leg reach on the right side, but I'm going to add a little crunch here. In 3, going 2, 1 more here, lengthen, bring it back on in. Now from here, you extend your right leg, crunch up, reach to the left knee, lay all the way back on down for 10. Lengthen, crunch, bring it back on in for 9, 8, going 7, modification. Keep your head, neck, and shoulders down the entire time. Don't crunch up if you're feeling it in your neck here. In 5, we're just gonna switch right away to the other side. In 4, go in 3, go in 2, and last one here. And bring it back to that tabletop. Now, only the left leg, no crunch. Just extend the left leg out and down, bend it back on in for 10. Reaching away, 9. In 8, same thing here. In 7, we're gonna add that crunch. In 6, modification. Just stay like this the entire time. For 5, 4, go in 3, go in 2, and 1 more here. Bring it on in. Let's add that crunch. Extend, crunch up, lay down for 10, 9, go in 8, go in 7, go in 6, no hold, no pulse, just 5 more. Go in 4, 3, go in 2, and last one here. And bring it on in. Take a break from that core there. Come up into a high kneel. Now, if you prefer not to be on your knees, go ahead and go to a full stand for me. I'm gonna be kind of like at an angle so you guys can see what my upper body is doing here. You're gonna grab your bar or your weights. We're gonna go palms face up, elbows bent into the sides of the body. You're gonna start with those arms extended down with a soft bend in those elbows. Now, slow and controlled. Curl those hands into the shoulders. Slow and controlled, re-extend down. For 10. Just a nice bicep curl here. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, in 4. You're gonna hold it halfway. In 3, 2, last one, but hold, back down, halfway hold. In 5, you're gonna pulse it up in 3, 2, 1. Little ups and downs for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Shake it on out. So we got serve the bread. Hands are gonna stay exactly where they are. Elbows are bent. You're going to scoop, reach away from the body, pull it back into the sides for 10. 9. Keep that bend in that elbow. 8. So we stay in those lovely biceps there. 7. Go 6. Woo! Go in 5. This bar is no joke today. In 4, you're gonna hold it again, halfway out. In 3, 2, 1. Bend it halfway, pause. In 5, you're gonna pulse it away from your body. In 3, 2, 1. Away for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo-hoo-hoo. Bring it on in. Bar is going to go up and over. So think up towards that ceiling. Bend those elbows, bring it behind that head. We got our lovely triceps here. Softly send those hips back just a little bit so you can lean that torso forward. Extend it up and out. Bend it on in for 10, 9, 8. Pull those elbows in for 7. Don't let them open out to the sides. 6, 5, 4, in 3. You're gonna hold it halfway extended. 2, 1, hold it halfway, pause. Now little ups and downs for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Bring it around. Last one here. Palms are gonna face in towards my body. You're gonna bring it up, bend those elbows, bring it right in front of your chest. Now from your chest, you're gonna press it up overhead. Bring it back down to the chest. Flip those palms back down towards those thighs there. So again, pull to the chest, press it overhead, bring it back to the chest, back to those thighs for 10. You want to keep your shoulders back and down for 9. We're going slow and controlled here. Of course, I have a little finisher for this. Then you will be done with that lovely upper body here. In 7, you're just going to continue only the overhead press. In 6, make sure you're still keeping that core tight here, because we don't want it going into our low backs. In 5, holding it up. Tell that mind I got this. Tell that mind I showed up today. I'm putting in that work here. I can keep pushing through. Unless you really need that break, please take that break. Listen to that body. We are not here to strain ourselves. We're here to just get that movement in. Build our confidence, build that strength. Now, bring it to the chest. Press it overhead, pause. Now just bend it to the chest, back on up for 10. Last thing here, 9. Finishing out strong, 8. You got 7. Going 6, 5, 4, woo, 3, 2, last one, woo, bring it on in. Nice job, you guys. Let's go ahead and end with our core finisher here. Go ahead, one more time, lay all the way down onto your back. Once you're on your back, you're gonna go ahead, grab your weights. Same thing as the warm-up. Press that bar straight up towards that ceiling. Now, one at a time from here. Bring those legs back up to a tabletop. Hold. Slow and controlled. Extend both of your legs away. Slow and controlled, bend them back on in for 10. 9. In 8, of course, I'm gonna add that bar. Modification, stay exactly like this for me. In 5, we're gonna reach the bar behind us as those legs extend. In 3, 2, 1 more here. Bring it on in. Now together, bar reaches away, legs extend. Come back into the center for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, guess what? 2, on this last one, hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Bring it on in. You made it. Go ahead and take those weights down to the side. And go ahead, bring those knees in towards that chest. Give yourself that lovely hug there. Just rock side to side. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. You can stay seated. Let's go ahead, stretch that upper body here. So what you're going to do first is bring that right arm across that body, hook the left arm underneath, pull and hold. Have that opposition, your hands reaching away, and then that left hand is pulling in. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch, left arm comes across, right arm hooks underneath, pull and hold for 10, in 9, in 8, we're gonna end with a lovely side bend stretch here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your left hand down to the side of you. Right arm's gonna reach up and over, side bend stretch for 10, 9, in 8, we're gonna switch to the other side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. Right hand goes down. Left arm comes up and over for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands are gonna come to the stomach. Relax your shoulders, close those eyes. Let's start with that breath work. Taking that nice big inhale. Let that stomach rise. Let it fill with all of that air. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. One more here. Taking that lovely big inhale. Thank that body for all the hard work it did today. And exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. Well, thanks for joining with me today. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.